morning, everyone. It's your girl Mars. So today, in this vlog, we're going for Sydney hunting apartments. So isasama ko po kayo sa lahat ng mga inspections na gagawin ko today. And ilalagay ko din ang mga prices ng mga bahay na titingnan namin. Oh, sorry, units. Well, technically, my granny flat, my units, and let's see if may bahay din. At the moment, may titignan kaming 6. So, ako, siguro 4, then si Terry sa iba. Kasi si Terry hindi naman nagdadrive. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. Ito ang first building na pupuntahan natin. Tara, pasok tayo. Kitchen, lounge, laundry. Kitchen and bedroom. Second property na i-inspect. Tara, pasok tayo. Master's bedroom.
Hello guys, so papunta na kami sa next viewing namin around Caramar. May tinignan kaming 2 unit na. Bali yung first, yun yung medyo okay, yung isa. Sakto lang.
Ano siya? Given sa
Price.
rent price per week. Well,
Okay lang. But let's see, tingnan namin kung anong feedback namin itong pangatlo.
so may ano tayo, 6 properties to check.
Today, yes guys.
So buong araw to.
Yes.
Third property. So, wala pa daw nalimpyuhan. So, actually, daghan ko siya i-fix. This is the other bedroom. So, the renter kakaalis lang kahapon. And then, there's a lot of fixing. So messy. There's the kitchen. And yeah. Next inspection. Next area. I fully parked. Naku siya.